Hey, what's going on? Welcome everybody to Xander of 2D2 Productions. If you guys are watching this video, I get the chance to jump out and show you the difference between two different awesome projectors today. TCL is the world's #2 TV brand by shipments with 44 years of display expertise. And when it comes to the projectors, TCL is also a true display expert. Powered by its CSOT display technology, bringing TV level picture quality into a portable big screen experience. To my right, I have the TCL C1, and to the left, we have the TCL A1s. Now, both models adopt a TrueHue technology that's going to deliver a TV level quality featuring the TCL reliable build quality that is also equipped and sealed with optical engine and all glass lenses. Besides the brightness of both, these are both certified by the SGS. If you're interested in projectors or you're struggling which brand to go for, today I will introduce two projectors and help you find the one that fits you best. Starting with the projector on my right, which I have here is the TCL C1. The TCL C1 is positioned as the first step into the big screen world. If you're a beginner and looking for a high value, affordable big screen projector, I would highly recommend this one. Priced at under $300, the C1 is officially certified by Netflix and Google TV, so you can start streaming your favorite content right away. When it comes to the picture quality, the TCL brings decades of display expertise to the table. The brightness is the SGS certified. In addition, giving you confidence that the performance is measured and verified. This is also when choosing a trusted brand can make a difference, because with entry-level projector market, some lesser known brands may advertise impressive specifications, but the actual viewing experience can vary significantly. With the TCL C1, you can get a projector backed by a trusted global brand with certified performance and a reliable experience. If you're looking to create a home theater experience in your living room, then I'd recommend the TCL A1s on my left. The TCL positioned it as the best value all-around home projector. While it costs just $100 more than the C1, that small step up gets you a noticeable upgrade in areas that matter the most for home entertainment, including the higher brightness and enhanced audio performance. I'll tell you what, you're gonna like it. We're gonna go ahead and set up our C1 projector. Now it's just a matter of turning this guy on. Takes a second to boot up. Now what's nice about it, it automatically adjusts. So once you have the desired position, it's gonna go ahead and start scanning. We'll give this a second to boot up and warm up. Here is the autofocus that I was mentioning. Now it's just a matter of going right into one of these thousands of apps that are capable of watching here. Here's a good one. Oh, and I forgot to mention, both the C1 and the A1s connect onto the 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi channel carrier. So if in case you happen to be curious as far as the connectivity and stability, the 5 gigahertz channel is what this connects to. To be able to deliver the theater experience inside your home. Don't go to the movies. Get yourself one of these TCL projectors. It's going to give you that home theater experience, and it really does deliver. I do apologize for the ads here, but this thing hands down is going to be able to give you that nice, clear, crisp image. For as small and compact as it is, it really is going to give you that best overall experience. And with 44 years of experience that TCL has, this thing really does have a tremendous performance. So I do recommend it. And this is the cheaper one of the model. With the freedom and flexibility of the TCL C1, this guy is going to give you the full capability when it comes to laying down on the floor, laying down in bed, or even fully reclined in your chair or your couch. With its autofocus, you can enjoy TV in every which position you enjoy watching. It doesn't get any better than that, because honestly, this thing is so powerful, you can really enjoy anything you put at it. Now it's time to show you guys the A1s. So here we have the A1s. We're gonna go ahead and plug the power right into the back here. So let's go ahead and raise the plate here. Now, one thing that I do like about this particular projector is we do have a button feature that's here on the top. So that is an additional feature that I do like, and I will show you that here momentarily. And again, this is with the autofocus. And there we have it. So we can go into any particular program here. There's that autofocus, auto adjust. Now again, I cannot stress enough, if you're looking for that true in-home entertainment of bringing the movie theaters to your room, this is definitely the way to go. So with this particular projector, what I said again, up to 150 inches. Both projectors are HDR10 compatible. And there is our speaker. So this one is 16 watts.
LinkedIn is pretty great for discussing the latest ideas. We cannot stop your brother-in-law from discussing his ideas.
Why would anybody ever go back to the movie theaters when you can take the movie theater experience home with you? With two compact mini projectors by TCL and their True Hue technology, in addition to that, the autofocus and the obstacle avoidance when it comes to the image quality. These things, hands down, deliver a tremendous amount of value. So whether you're wanting to go with the C1 or the A1s, both of these, I honestly can recommend. You're gonna love either one of them. So whether you're in a smaller space, C1 is gonna be the most practical, or you're in a bigger space, you can go with the A1s. Now, both of these can perform flawlessly, depending on what your scenarios that you might need. Both of these have value in itself. So if I'm gonna recommend it, I recommend both. But ultimately, it's gonna come down to you, because I guarantee you, you're gonna enjoy your experience on either one, no matter what you decide. And best of all, right now, they got a tremendous sale going on. You gotta check it out, because you're not gonna find a better price with the amount of features and quality that you're gonna get out of this, especially for 44 years in the industry. TCL knows what they're doing. Check it out for yourself. I highly encourage, recommend. You're gonna love it. That I can guarantee. Thank you guys for watching.